So today I'm going to show you guys how to make banana Laffy Taffy slime. So let's just get started. So what you're going to need to make this slime is a bowl, something to mix with, PVA glue, I'm using Elmer's, shaving foam, this is optional, clay, I recommend Daiso clay or Model Magic clay, I'm using Daiso, banana scent, which is also optional, I'm using P&J Trading, and your slime activator. I'm using borax and water. So the first thing you're going to do is put your glue into your bowl, add however much you want. I'm going to add about that much. Okay. Now I'm going to add in my shaving foam, just a little bit, about that much. And then mix that together. Now you can add your scent, and this literally smells exactly like banana Laffy Taffy. And now you can activate your slime. And just add your activator slowly, so your slime will not turn out hard, and just keep mixing. Okay guys, after a little bit of kneading, your slime will turn out something like this. And now it's time to add in our clay. So I'm using
Daiso, yellow Daiso clay. And if your clay isn't yellow, you can always add some yellow food coloring to your slime. So you don't really need that much. You just need a little bit. And just add that. God, my hands are so messy. I'm sorry, guys. I'm like unsatisfying. Okay, just knead that in.
Okay guys, here's my finished slime. It's really creamy and I really like the texture. It's super soft and it's really clicky and it smells so good. It literally smells like banana taffy. And if you don't have clay, you can also use cornstarch. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. And if you really enjoyed this video, please subscribe and comment down below video ideas for future videos. And yeah, bye guys.